barking the minute I try to make a quick video. But hello and welcome back from the unscheduled break, also known as my hostage experience in Orangeburg. Try to ignore the dogs barking. I just want to quickly show you again a little bit about the options you have to complete your work for this class and end on a high note. One of the first things that might not show up the way I want it to in this preview is the working script. And that is because one of the alternatives that you can choose from to earn your remaining points in the class is to participate in different ways in a mock trial. You can help us draft a loose script, which is kind of, oops, that's the wrong document. This is the document that explains what's going on. Okay, I can't link to the link. Well, the document actually looks like this. The mock trial of Janie Starks. And in this mock trial that we will perform next week on the 20th, Sopt Bottom seeks damages against Janie Starks for the unlawful murder of his best friend Tea Cake. And we have participants already defined and signed up. But if you didn't get a chance to sign up and would like to, please just let me know and I can work you in. This is kind of the list of witnesses and where they are, what they're about in the trial. Then we have the format and process, which I think I put in the correct order, but the purpose of this document is that you can make suggestions to it if you would like to change it. So the judge will read the complaint, which I just read, and the plaintiff will present the case by interviewing the witnesses, beginning with Sopt Bottom, who will talk about why Tea Cake's death is a wrongful death and explain the damages. So as you can see, this is pretty straightforward in how I envision the trial progressing. However, if you have ideas about specific additions to the questions or specific evidence that can be used in the questions, you can add items in this document. I'm not sure how. Hopefully when you click on it, it will let you make a comment. So let's say you click here and you want to add specific evidence. When you click on the OneDrive document, you can just put in the page number and perhaps like a quote that you would recommend using for evidence to illustrate that point. We'll just go ahead and see how it goes with this technology and try not to stress about it because we'll find an alternative if this doesn't work for our brainstorming. So these are some of the questions that the defense attorney might ask. And like I said, just this is a bare bones of what a script might look like. If you have any suggestions or ideas, we are all writers, and throw those in. The other thing that you can do to continue working on your points, as I mentioned, is that you can include these ideas and concepts in our more recent discussions, being as specific and detailed as possible. You can still do the big ideas, more discussion of planning. And you can also go back to the close reading and excavating sentences discussions and add sentences to those if you think they're sentences that would be particularly powerful if used in the script or in a particular part of the courtroom script / mock trial scene that we are going to work on. As always, you can work on a visual arts or another kind of project. I list all of the possible projects I've thought of so far here in planning your second paper or project. And those options, of course, are still available to you as well. Please let me know what questions you have, and I look forward to adding up all of your points as you make your contributions. Have a great day.